Hello, today we will guide you through how to use face filters on Google Meet video calls. To get started, open Google Meet in your web browser. This is where you can either join an existing meeting or create a new one of your own. If you are using Google Meet for the first time, make sure you are signed in and that your camera permissions are enabled, since face filters work best when Google Meet can clearly detect your face on video. Once you are on the Google Meet homepage, you will have the option to join a meeting or start one. For this walkthrough, go ahead and start an instant meeting. This is a quick way to enter a meeting room right away and test the available effects without needing to schedule anything in advance. It is a useful option if you simply want to explore the feature before using it during an actual call. After the meeting preview opens, click Join Now. This takes you fully into the meeting interface where all of the call controls and visual settings are available. If your camera is on, you should be able to see yourself on screen, which makes it easier to preview any changes as you apply them. Now look toward the bottom of your screen. This area contains the main meeting controls, including microphone, camera, and additional options. Click the three-dot menu to open more settings and tools. If you do not see it right away, move your cursor slightly and the controls should become more visible. From the menu that appears, select Background and Effects. This section is where Google Meet groups together visual customization options for your video feed. Depending on your device and browser, it may take a moment to load, especially if your connection is slower or your computer is processing video effects for the first time. Once the panel opens, click Filters. You will then be able to browse the available face filters and choose the one you want to use. As you select different options, you should see a live preview on your video, which helps you decide what looks best before continuing your call. Take a moment to test a few filters and make sure the one you choose fits the tone of your meeting. Some filters are more playful, while others may be better suited for casual conversations. When you are happy with your selection, simply keep it active and continue with your meeting. And that is how to use face filters on Google Meet video calls.